What you doing?
I'm smoking them. Trying to get them to lure up so they go to eating honey.
Whose channel is this?
It's David's Mule Train Homestead. That's what we're doing, working bees today.
And who are you helping with her bees?
I'm helping Living Miracle Homestead with her bees that I gave her.
Yeah, you got to add that, right, babe? Yeah, folks, I went with him to a house where he was removing these. They were taking the house down, and the people wanted to save the bees, so he gave them to me, and we've been working them together ever since. Do you like working bees?
Yeah, I do. If I can find the queen. You got that marker with you?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I need to get on the other side because I can't see nothing from here. Oh, there's cone down here on the ground. Don't know how that happened. Must have been from when we got that honey out, huh?
Probably. This thing's overgrown. Oh, they're building on there.
Yep. Doing a good job. What is that?
Hive beetle cocoon that I'm gonna squish.
There's a beetle right there. Went down in there.
Yeah, I see him. We don't have any trap in here. How'd that happen?
I don't know, baby.
Get in a hurry?
I guess so. We can fix that today, can't we?
Yeah, I gotta go to the truck to fix it.
Alright, well, let's finish looking. You can slide that out and next.
Off.
There's a lot of bees in there, guys.
Yeah. Oh, that's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Look, they're building on the bottom like...
Yeah, that's
we
okay.
need to put some deeps in here.
Yep. Turn it and let me see.
Hold on, I'm still looking. Okay. That's all capped brood.
Oh, there's some uncapped over there. Okay.
There she is, right there.
Where?
Oh, she's... Come on, girl.
She's right there.
Get the pen ready.
I'm trying.
I'm gonna probably get stung.
I gotta set this
She's
somewhere.
on the other side now. Now, we had her.
We had her, but we didn't get to mark her. Man, is she ever a big bee. I mean, she's 3 times as big as these bees are. I'm in awe of how big she is.
Holy cow, look at her.
They're doing a good job. That they're building out frame. We got to get some deeps in here.
Yep. Hopefully.
And we don't have enough frames in there, I don't think, do we?
Yeah, we do.
Oh yeah, because one's already out there.
I got one out. I wished I could find her again.
Sorry, I had to get that bee off of me before she stung me.
Wished I could find her.
Will you smoke us, please? She might be on the bottom of that. I don't know.
It looked to me like she fell down. Like, I don't know, I could be wrong.
I don't see her.
But we found her.
Okay.
We know she's in there.
Are we just gonna close it up or what?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. But I've got to go get a trap and fix it.
And put the trap in there for the
Beetles.
I really wanted to see on this end what's going on here.
Okay, well, we'll do that. We got rubber bands down there. We need to pull that last one.
What last one?
The one that has the rubber bands on it.
Yeah. Careful. This one is the one I want to see what it's like. Probably nothing on it. No, there isn't.
There's bees on it.
Well,
this one needs a box. I need to put big boxes on these. This one is going to be a boot. See, there's bees all over it.
yeah. And they're putting it together, ain't they?
Yep.
Sealing it up. That's pretty good. All right. I seen what I wanted to. Thank you so much for helping me with this today. I gotta get out of here
She
because,
was huge, wasn't she?
yeah, I got bees all over me.
Well, I don't know.
Okay, so you're gonna go get trap for them.
Yeah, and the smoker. Here's the trap right here.
Oh,
I gotta go get some. Juice.
There's juice in the back door.
Okay.
Do you know where I'm talking about?
Yeah.
You know the little jar there at the back door?
It's not a little jar, it's a gallon jar.
No, I got a little jar of it. And they look pretty happy. These girls are much more sweet than the other ones are. The other ones are a little bit more aggressive, but these girls are pretty good. So
Okay, this is my beetle trap, hive beetle, and what it is, it's apple cider vinegar, which attracts them, and it has vegetable oil in it, and they go in there and they drown.
here, you want that off outside.
Yeah, I don't want the
Woman's
bees
always got a paper towel, right?
I don't want the bees in it. That's for sure.
All right. Now you're gonna put it inside there,
Yeah,
in between the things, right?
Yeah. In between where they'll fit, where it'll fit.
I put them over here.
No, but look down in there at the comb. You can't push it down in there. You got to go for what you can get.
Yeah, but they're gonna be over there where the cone's at. Is what I'm trying to say.
Okay,
I put
can
it right
do
there.
here.
Yes. Thank you. You understand why I'm saying put it over there?
Yeah. And do it right there.
That's just my opinion. Yeah. Now, the beetles will be chased into there,
No,
and
they are attracted to that.
attracted to that. So,
See, this is honey that this bee's eating.
mhm.
You need to get off of there.
That's good.
See, there you go.
We need to put more juice in
You
this,
need
but
something to
it
put over the hole.
they're getting a lot of stuff out already in the yard.
That's why I take magazines. I use magazines for that. Put it over the hole and go make sugar water.
Well, right now we can do without that.
Well,
Can you
can-
take that lid off?
I don't know. Let's go see.
So anyways, guys, say goodbye, David.
Bye. See y'all next time. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and we can all learn how to deal with bees.